do not turn your supercar engine on and just go rev. Give it time. After probably time to prep for the Bugatti, I'll drop a clip here.
So this blue light right here, that means that we cannot mash the throttle, we can't rev the engine. We gotta wait until that turns off until we can go full send.
All the lights should goes off before you turn on or rev, because it's going to spoil your car. Are you new to supercars, or you already own a supercar and care for some tips for maximum, maximum care? I got you covered today, because I'm going to be sharing some tips for you to take care of your supercars, newbie or you're already into the game. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is OBJ here. This is already towards the end of the year, and this is one of my one of the last video for the year. I don't know yet, depend on how the schedule is going to be. If this is going to come out earlier than some, or some is going to come out earlier than this, but let's see. I just want to try a new way of content before the year 2025. Just relax, calm, no pressure. One with my PC, no pressure. Drink water, sorry. Yeah, and I'm listening to a focus sound now without release. Let me hook you guys. Yeah, that's just to get me hyper focused and active while doing this. So before you say, why am I wearing headset when this is just to make me more focused in this. Yes, when you start your supercar, you are not supposed to just rev. Don't rev thousands of RPMs. You can give you a couple baby revs for the engine to heat up. You can drive a little bit, go around, and then when you are sure that the tires are warm and everything, you can do your rev, because at times there might be implications to that. Yeah. For number 2, always have regular maintenance. I think all cars should do this, but at times hypercars have regular maintenance from the company themselves, the company engineers. You just can't go and give it to any random guy. Nah, it's not done that way. So always give it to the right persons to do it. Whenever your car have issue, don't just go to a random mechanic. No, if it's Koenigsegg, go to Koenigsegg dealership, ask for their mechanics. If it's your Bugatti, your Lamborghini, your Porsche, go to a certified Porsche company, a certified Lamborghini company. Don't go to a third party. Not that they're not going to do it, but most times it has the warranty that comes with it and genuine parts. Yeah. Yes. So always go to a specialized service center and always check your fluid, check your oil, check. This is very important for regular maintenance. Check your oil, check your fluid, your what is it called, coolant. Always be on the check. Yeah. And always look at your dash light. Do not ignore any check engine light. This is not a Honda, this is not a Toyota for you to just, okay, I can do what I like. Nah, the supercar we're talking here. Then number 3 is your tire care. This matter because you are driving a machine, a supercar, something that can take off at any time. You need your tire to be intact, because you'll be needing your brakes, and imagine your tires are worn out, and then you have in F1 racing, it's called the brake where was it fried or yeah. I watched, what movie was that? I watched Gran Turismo. If you have watched that movie, comment below. That movie was like a motivational movie for me, and if you know what you want, always go for what you want. But yeah, out of that movie scenario right now, let's come back to where we're from. Don't get that wrong. Always check your tires, because they are the most important thing. They are your legs. So when you want your brake, it should have the grip, not fired out. Then this is an obvious one, but cleaning and detailing. You might say, why should I bother about cleaning and detailing? You always complain that you get a car and then it depreciates in value. When you don't clean your car, you don't detail your car, that's what happens. It will surely go down in value, because when someone like me wants to get it, I will always look for the best, and I can't get that your dirty car for that. Come on. Yeah, so always apply wax, that's paint wax, ceramic coating, which help water not to know when rain or dew fall, how that. No. When you apply ceramic coating, it will bring the water down, flush them down. So always apply ceramic coating to your car. Avoid some harsh what is it called, some harsh cleaners for your cars. Yeah, avoid them. Don't use detergent now. Use the right cleaner. Okay, now for storage. Remember, it's a supercar, you just can't park randomly, because even for theft, a carbon fiber of a supercar is more valuable than any car. You know, you guys know that any car part, and you just can't park anywhere. Have it being stored inside a cool, dry, dust free, so your car is not covered in dust. If you are in a dusty area and you don't drive your car often, you should have a cover to cover your car for protection. You remove it from the sun. It shouldn't be under the sun, and the rain shouldn't always be beating your car. You should have a garage for it. And if your environment is dusty, cover with a car cover. But if you use ceramic coating or use a protective film, at times scratch is not a big deal. Yeah. Now, six on the list: avoid overheating. You know, these cars have powers, and you just can't. They produce a lot of power, a lot of heat, even up to producing flames. For a car to produce flames, you know the heat it cooks up in it. So do not, in any circumstance, play with coolant. It's very, very vital for a car, because not just a supercar, but for a supercar, it's crucial because these cars are powerful. We are talking of from 300 horsepower and above, and you know how powerful and dangerous it will be when it's overheating. Yes. And our number 7 is respect the engine. Respect the engine. Use the right fuel quality for your car. The Strad man took his Koenigsegg to go surprise the fan, like drive the fan will drive around in his Koenigsegg. But unfortunately for him, bad fuel. I'm from Nigeria, yeah. So my my accent is quite. I'm not. We are wearing English, like that's our official language. So do not judge me. Okay, that's by the way. Bad fuel or bad gas can cause your engine to have problem, and his car had issues. His car was misfiring because of bad fuel, and which can cause a lot of things. Though he said there's some maintenance, it was due for maintenance, and all it was due for the engine checkup, all of that, but engine servicing and all of that. But that fuel contributed a lot to it. He was supposed to get, was it 91 octane, and they end up using lower. And you know, for such cars, they are very sensitive. You know how these cars are built. Yeah, these cars are built a lot. Do not ignore a sign in your supercar. Don't take it for granted for anything at all. Anything, do not ignore. And lastly on my list is track days and professional checkups. You're driving your regular Porsche 911, Porsche GT3, and then GTRS, and then you're invited to a track race. The next day you just pop up your Porsche and it's reliable. No, you shouldn't do that. Track is definitely different from normal day. Always go for professional checkups. It should be 100%. This is not, we can't get 100%. It should be 100% okay before you go on the track, or you are putting your life and others at risk. So whenever you are at all taking your supercars with your guys, going to avoid one, embarrassment, and avoid putting yourself at risk, because you'll be running up to above 150 kilometer per hour, even mile per hour, and then imagine your brake fails or something happen, bro. You're definitely on your own. That's you and your God. So yeah, I just forgot. This is support. This is me pleading for support before the end of the year, and I launched a car accessory product. I've been posting on my YouTube channel about it, like acting as if they sponsored me, but I'm the owner of the product. I'm supposed to put this at the middle, but it was just, I guess I love this flow of creating videos, so it was just smooth, and I was enjoying the process actually. So I wasn't under pressure or whatever. I wrote a note on how I made this video, but it's just coming from my brain. That's how I want my videos to be, and I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, a smart air freshener with Starlight. Yeah, I'm drop shipping that product. I guess this will be the only video where I talk about this in particular. Yeah, I'm drop shipping that product, and it will be good for your supercar. Honestly, good for your supercar, and also it will support me. Actually, this what's it called? Smart air freshener says my competition said this for about $68 to like $120, but I'm offering you $49. That's $50 for it, and then I'm hooking you guys also with a discount code. Yeah, so if you are among the first 100 persons who purchase this product with my link in the description, or go to zaria.store and buy this particular product with my discount code OBJDIFF, OBJ underscore DIFF. You're going to get another 20% discount, so shouldn't play with this. Yeah, I just wanted to plug that in, and I love this type of creating content. I guess this is the way for 2025. Let's see the performance of this video, but guess that this will be the way for 2025. Was actually editing a video and I just remembered I haven't created for the day and I have videos idea to create. So thanks for watching to this part of the video. Wow, I'm going to try my best not to edit anything, like just put a few tests. I just want to see, because I'm actually playing a song on my head right now and I have my bro sleeping on the bed, which I haven't done. Let me drink water to reduce the tension. I don't make videos when persons are around, and I know he's sleeping, but I know he's hearing me. Yeah, so I'm not too used to this style, but I guess I'm repeating myself more than once, which is not good for my retention. But all right, thank you for watching. Let me do it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for this year thus far. I love you guys so much. I received a lot of love for my videos that actually did a little well and did well. Like, I won't call it a little. I received a lot of love from you guys, and if I can get this right and do this thing consistently, I believe I'll be able to create a community of like-minded supercars, lovers and owners, definitely. Yeah, don't forget to check out my products. This link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to drink water. Peace out.